Welcome. Today, you'll learn the easiest way to send a photo as a file on your Telegram channel, perfect for sharing high-quality images without any compression. This updated guide will walk you through each step, so let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your device and head straight to your channel. Whether you're managing a community, sharing updates, or just want to keep your images crisp, this method ensures your photo stays in its original quality. Next, decide which photo you want to share. You can either take a new picture using your camera or upload one from your gallery. If you're snapping a fresh photo, just use your device's camera as usual. If you're uploading, tap the attachment icon, usually found at the bottom of your screen, and select the image from your gallery or file manager. Now, here's the crucial part. Instead of just tapping the send button, press and hold it. This brings up a menu with different sending options. From here, choose Send as File. This option tells Telegram to deliver your photo as a document, not as a regular image. Why does this matter? Sending as a file means your photo won't be compressed, so every detail and pixel stays sharp and clear, ideal for professional work, artwork, or any image where quality matters. Once you select Send as File, Telegram will upload and send your photo to the channel as a document. Your followers can then download it in full resolution, exactly as you intended. Let's quickly recap. Open Telegram and go to your channel. Take a photo or upload one from your gallery. Tap and hold the send button. Choose Send as File from the menu. That's all it takes. With these simple steps, you can share high-quality photos on your Telegram channel without worrying about loss of detail. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more tips to make the most of your Telegram experience.